Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. Today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I am going to get this cute ombre nail for Valentine's Day. So I'm going to be using this clear gel top coat by Kiss. Also going to be using this pink gel polish by Kiss. And I'm going to be using this red polish by LA Colors. And this nude with like a hint of pink in it. And it's also by LA Colors. All of these polishes I got from Dollar Tree. So as you can see, my nails are already done. I will link below the video that I have filmed before that shows how I apply my nails. I've used the same products in the video that I will link below. So if you guys want to see how I apply my nails, make sure that you guys go and watch that video linked below. So yeah, what I want to do today is I want to do a really cute red to pink ombre. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start by taking this nude pink color and I'm going to go ahead and just paint all my nails. Okay, so I only did one coat of that color. After I finish that, I'm gonna go ahead and get ready to start to add my ombre color. So what you need to achieve the ombre are these cosmetic wedges, these triangle cosmetic wedges. And I got these from Dollar Tree as well. And so what you want to do is you want to take the colors that you want to use for your ombre. And I'm going to be using this red and this pink. And I'm also going to use the color that I applied to my nails already, just so that it blends nicely. Whatever order that you want your ombre to go into, that's the way you want to go ahead and apply the polish onto the sponge. And just do a line of each color. And it's okay if they like touch each other or they overlap each other. That's perfectly fine. Okay, and so once we've done that, you want to just take the wedge and you just want to dab it onto the nail. And then you want to reapply. Go to the next nail. Okay. And then reapply. And just continue that process. So after we finish that first coat, we're just gonna go ahead and take some scissors and cut that first layer off, just to give us a clean surface for the next go round. Okay, so we're gonna let that hand dry. We're gonna start on the other hand. Okay, so after I'm done applying all the colors, and I feel like it's enough, I'm gonna take this clear polish. And that clear polish is gonna fill in all those air bubbles and just have it looking nice and neat and give it a really nice, polished, shiny look at the end. Okay, yeah, so after you are done adding all your polish and you feel like you are done, you want to go ahead and get you some fingernail polish remover and just go ahead and clean up on the sides of those nails. So after you've cleaned up your nails with the fingernail polish, of course you want to go ahead and wash your hands and add whatever moisturizer or oil to your hands. I am all done and I think that these nails turned out beautiful. I did mess up on a couple of them, but it's all good. I know that as I continue to practice on this method and, you know, try new colors and all that good stuff, that my nails will be looking flawless eventually. So, like I said, for the first time, me trying this method, this ombre, I think that I did a pretty good job, and I think that it turned out really cute. These nails are going to be perfect for Valentine's Day. So, I did end up switching my polish after like the second or third coat to this darker, like pinkish reddish color. I don't know. I felt like the pink that I was using wasn't like, it was I felt like the transition was too far of a jump, so it wasn't really blending really well, but when I added this color on top, you can see the transition from the dark red to that next like darkish pink color. You can see it, you know, really good. So I did stop using this pink color and I started to use this right here, and this also came from Dollar Tree. I will make sure that I leave all the information about these polishes in the description box below so that you guys will know. If you guys like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. If you are not subscribed to my channel, make sure that you go ahead and do so. If you have any questions or comments, make sure that you guys leave them in the comment box below. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.